Sawmill Creek renovations part 1. Probably the only one I'm gonna do. Wilderness Hall. This is the yeah. I guess they're still doing work even with this whole corona thing going around. That's great. No trespassing. I just think they made it in the building, but it does look like because all that carpeting and stuff like that looks fairly new. Like, I don't really know what they're doing. They did rip down the, I had another, video to this, but I later on just deleted that. So, I don't really want to get caught. There's not a whole lot of people working here. Yeah, they took those two. I'm guessing that they're going to take that one down next. I don't know if they're going to replace them. I don't know if they're just going to, paint over. I imagine. Here's, this part is new. I can tell because the bricking in the inside of this building. Look at that. Look at that. Just fantastic. Show-stopping. Never the same. And then over there is kind of where the pool would be. I don't... No, because the pool's all the way over there and then the outdoor pool. Yeah, so no. But that's the outer. But then here's the restaurant. I might accidentally be trespassing. Yeah, that's new brick. No, that's not new brick. I really do not want to... God, I don't want to waste too much time. Okay. This is where one of them would be. This is Salmon Run. Yeah, they have Corona stuff up, so I'm guessing they are still working. It doesn't look like they're doing anything really in there, which is great. Oh, the tape. Apparently there's no tape over here. Yeah, this would have been the main entrance, where you would walk in and check in and check out. Oh my god. I think this looks. I don't know. Yeah, people are still working here while this whole thing, because they have wash your hands up. This and that. I don't think. I can't really see good in there. I think they ripped everything. Stripped everything, whatever. This was something that they had hanging on the arch. That was something they had, well, I already told you, but, that was, on their archway, and then when they... They took dooring off, I can't even see good in there. Yeah, they're not doing a whole lot. I'm guessing they're still stripping. Funny, I think. Well, whatever. Not even that funny. Whatever. Here's Big Sky. Yeah, I'm guessing they have code names, so this would have been the Big Sky Lounge. This is where the gift shop and the little bakery and indoor pool and entrance to outdoor pool would be. That's one of them. Yeah, Big Sky. I didn't know these had names. Then here's the Chippewa. Oh my god, honey. You can't really see a whole lot in there. Okay, great. The wind. I love the wind. The wind's fun. I'm gonna break my ankle, and I'm gonna blame it on who? Nobody. Because I have no idea. They stripped that room clean. Oh god, there's somebody here. And I'm gonna... Did they? No. Well, I think they are getting ready with the rooms. Over there would be where you would put your bikes. Yeah, I can't really show you anything else because I don't really know what else. So, if you guys enjoyed this, please comment, subscribe, do all that. I will see you in the next one. I don't know how to do an outro.